Hey guys, it's Jenny from Southern Savers. It's time for a new week of deals in Walgreens, so let's head in and check them all out. Keep in mind, as we go through, I am not gonna mention the monthly deals. We did that last week. So as we walk, all the deals are good through Saturday, and you definitely wanna head over and watch the video that I posted last week of month-long deals too, so that you don't miss those. All the deals that I'm gonna mention, if you head to southernsavers.com/Walgreens, you'll see all the coupons and the deals listed right there, so you can make your shopping list and grab all the deals with me. Get a great deal on a Gillette razor this week. They have most of the Gillette 1-count razors with 1 refill, not the 2 refills, but the 1. See that? Most of them are $9.99 this week. This store hasn't tagged them yet, but they are. And when you grab 1, you're gonna get back a $4 register reward. There is also a $4 digital coupon in the Walgreens app off of any Gillette or Venus razor. So perfect. Grab 1 Gillette or Venus. Venus is also included here. $9.99. You're gonna use your $4 coupon. You're gonna pay $5.99 and get back a $4 register reward. So in the end, $1.99. Not a bad price at all. All week this week, Wet n Wild Cosmetics, the entire section, 40% off. And we've got new $1 digital coupons in the Walgreens app. So $1 digital is going to make, if you want a freebie, eye pencils completely free. They're 77 cents before the coupon, so free. Now the coupon will reduce down. You're not gonna make money on this, but it's a freebie. It's gonna make other products about 97 cents. So lip glosses and lip colors and some eyeliners, 97 cents. After the sale, 40% off and the $1 digital coupons. So grab whatever you want. I have 2 coupons. One is good for any eye and one is good for any product. So you can grab 2 items with those. I don't always mention orange tag deals because they do differ based on every store, but this is actually the second store that I've been in now that I found the Secret aluminum-free deodorant is on clearance, 50% off. So if you're an aluminum-free deodorant person, this is already a pretty good sale, but we do have digital coupons for $1 off to any Secret deodorant. So that is gonna make them $2.99 a piece compared to the normal $7.50. It's not a bad price, and hopefully you would also find that orange tag clearance in your area too. My guess is that the entire line is not selling well for Walgreens, and they're probably going ahead and removing it off their shelves. So grab it if you want it at a pretty good price. Grab a pretty good deal on soap this week. Dial bar soap 8-packs are on sale, 2 for $7, so that's $3.50 a piece. The normal price is like $5.50, and we have a digital coupon for $2 off 2 Dial bar soap or body wash. So after the digital coupon and the sale, you're gonna pay $2.50 for the 8-pack. Not a bad price at all for soap, and a great way to use that digital coupon with the sale. One of our favorite deals on detergent is back this week. Arm & Hammer, buy 1, get 2 free. It's on all the smaller bottles and the smaller packs. Now, again, the store that I'm in, they've obviously not tagged anything this week, but this deal, it's normally $6.99 in most stores. So you're gonna buy 1 at $6.99, and then you're gonna get 2 for free. We don't have any coupons here, but it still makes for a pretty good price. You're gonna pay $2.33 a piece for each Arm & Hammer product. There's also another deal that's still running, that's the month-long deal on Tide products and Bounce and Downy. That is the buy 3 and get 1 free. And we do have coupons for that. So that is in the month-long deals video that I'll link to at the end of this video. But you could grab that one as well. It is also in the list of deals for Walgreens. So if you go to southernsavers.com/Walgreens, you'll see the Arm & Hammer deal, and you'll see the Tide deal, and pick which one you want, but they're both great prices for detergent. Okay guys, I've got a Listerine deal for you that I almost want you to ignore the points that are running on the deal. So Listerine regular price for the 1 liter in this store, $6.29. This week, when you buy 2 Listerines, you get 2,000 points back, but you're actually gonna come out better to ignore the points. We just got $1 off coupons in Sunday's paper for Listerine, so use it. You're gonna pay $5.29, and then you're gonna submit for that $5 mail-in rebate. By the way, you don't need this little tag to get it. So the rebate is on the Walgreens list on Southern Savers. Grab that Listerine. You're gonna pay $5.29 in the store. You're gonna get back $5 from the mail-in rebate and end up paying 29 cents for a 1 liter bottle of Listerine. Not a bad deal at all, but I do want you to ignore the points because you cannot submit that rebate on 2 bottles. You can submit the rebate multiple times, but only 1 per receipt. So while you might want those 2,000 points, it's actually a better deal to just kind of ignore the points, grab 1 bottle, use 1 coupon, and get back that rebate. You can get a pretty great price on Oral-B toothbrushes and Crest products this week. So select products are on sale for $2.99. When you buy 3 of them, you'll get back a $3 register reward. And we still have that 5 off 3 digital coupon. So use your 5 off 3 digital coupon. Again, they're $2.99 a piece. After the coupon and after the $3 reward, you're gonna end up paying 33 cents a piece. Not bad at all for toothbrushes. For toothpaste, it's a little pricey. I like free. And there is a free toothpaste deal that is a month-long deal. So I may go with that one if you need toothpaste, but for me, I'm always looking for toothbrush deals, and 33 cents is right in line with what I'd like to pay. So there you go, it's a few deals. I know that it's frustrating. It's frustrating for me when I go to make videos and stores have not tagged anything. So here's 2 ways to make this work. First off, just trust me. If it's on the list, it's on sale, and go ahead and grab it. Just make sure you're getting the right sizes, but you're gonna be okay. You could also ask the cashier to do a price check if you needed. But sometimes the easiest thing is actually to use the Walgreens app, scan the barcode or search for the product in the app. Not necessarily searching for coupons, but searching for the product, because they do run the same sales online. Now, it's not gonna help you if a deal is giving a register award. Those aren't mentioned at all on their website. But if the deal is giving balance reward points, you'll even see those when you search through the app. So if you feel like you're kind of flying blind in the store with no tags to help you, hopefully that's gonna help. Use the list from Southern Savers, kind of the easiest, or use the app, scan the barcodes, double check that you have the right product, and you'll feel a little bit more comfortable as you go to check out at the register. There's really not much that you can do about it. And for me, this isn't even Sunday, guys. I'm filming this on Monday. They still haven't tagged. Who knows when this store is gonna decide to tag, or if they even will this week. And you're just gonna have to deal with that sometimes. It may also mean that you don't come back to that particular store if you have options in your area, but it just happens. So hopefully that tip will help you if you ever get stuck in the same situation. With Walgreens, remember too, so many of the deals this week are point deals when you buy a certain number. So like when I buy 2 Listerines or various deals like that. So when you're grabbing those, remember you can always pay with points. That's the number 1 question that I get with Walgreens is when can I pay with points and when can I not pay with points? If the deal tells you to buy 2 or buy 3, you can always pay with points. If the deal tells you to buy $10 worth or $20 worth, you cannot pay with points. It's always about a quantity amount instead of a dollar amount. Points are great on quantity deals, so hopefully that'll help you keep it straight too. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe so that you can catch all the weekly deals as I post them and not miss out on all the deals that we've got this week. Make sure to also shop by Saturday night for everything in this video and to click over on the video that's going to pop up here in just a minute for the month-long deals that are running in Walgreens.